According to National Electrical Code Section 430.885A concerning motor overload, we need to consider several factors. Firstly, motor overloads and control devices must be selected and applied to handle the motor's starting and running load currents. Secondly, regarding the number of overloads, a single motor requires individual overload protection responsive to motor current. For motor circuits with multiple motors operating simultaneously from a single controller, they are treated as a single motor for overload protection. Thirdly, and crucially, the location of the overload device is specified. National Electrical Code Section 430.885 states that the overload device must be located in the motor circuit in the line side of the motor. Fourthly, automatic resetting of overload devices is restricted as per Table 430.3. Fifthly, the overload device must be sized to protect the motor against current overloads, as detailed in Part 6 of Article 430. Understanding the location requirement is key. The phrase line side of the motor means the overload device, specifically its normally closed contacts, must be situated in the ungrounded side of the motor starter. This placement ensures that an overload condition will interrupt the power supply to the motor, preventing damage. The normally closed contacts of the motor overload must be located in the ungrounded side of the motor starter to comply with the code. The other code sections 404.2 B and 240.22 deal with broader requirements for electrical equipment and grounding, but they do not pinpoint the location of overload contacts in the same specific way as 430.885 A3. Therefore, to correctly answer the question of where the normally closed contacts of a motor overload are located, the answer is in the ungrounded side of the motor starter, as dictated by National Electrical Code Section 430.885 A3.